What to do after joining an affiliate program. After joining a strong and reliable affiliate program, you need to take several steps to become successful. Without these steps, it will be difficult for you to earn a reasonable amount of money every month. Usually people don't know what to do after selecting an affiliate program and they simply fail. Following are these necessary steps. First of all, set your objective. This means set the amount of money you want to earn every month through affiliate marketing. If you are doing this business as a part-time business, then you will need less effort as you want to earn less. On the other hand, if you are relying on this business to meet your needs, then you should be prepared for hard work, sometimes working on holidays and giving at least 8 to 10 hours a day. After that, search the affiliate programs to select a market to work. There are usually many types of markets, for example, health, entertainment, sports, etc. Choose the market that is hot and suits your interests. While selecting a market, look at the benefits they are offering to the affiliate markets. Try to select the market that is hot and which is offering a good profit share to their affiliates. Before selecting a merchant to be an affiliate for, look at its history. How many affiliates does this merchant already have? What are the opinions of the affiliates with whom he is working? By answering these questions, you will know a lot about the reputation of your merchant. Avoid new merchants and join those who are strong in the market and have been in business for many years with success. It will be easier to promote the products of the merchants who are senior in the field. Customers will feel more at ease to make a purchase from a merchant that has been around for a while. When you have chosen a specific market, now it is time to select a product. You will definitely want to add all of the products at the beginning, but it is advised not to do this in the start. If you choose more products in the beginning, you will not be able to focus. Your attention will be diverted to different products. So it is better to choose one product to get the best result from it. When you have started getting the sales you desire and feel comfortable, then you can add more products. Make your own website. Your website is meant for the business. So it must look professional. It should not be overloaded with heavy graphics and lots of flashy banners. Simple is the best. Try to use light colors. Make a nice header to show your company name and theme. The site navigation must be simple and easy. People should not have any difficulty in searching for a specific page or information. Otherwise, they will not revisit your website. If you don't want to invest money in having your website designed for you, then you can get free website design templates. There are many websites on the internet that are offering free website templates. Just visit these sites and choose the template that you like. Fill the template with your own content and upload it on your server. Your website should have a search box on every page to search your website. This will be a great help for the visitors that want to search a specific product or information on your website. You can write articles and publish them in the free article directories. You can embed your affiliate links in the text of your articles. If your articles are well formatted, informative, and the article directory has large traffic, then you can expect some good traffic to your affiliate links. And you know that more traffic on your affiliate links will result in more sales through your affiliate links. Conclusion. After joining an affiliate program, you are required to choose the right market, right merchant, and right product. After that, choose the right methods to promote your products to become successful as an affiliate.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.